Another common occurrence you may see when importing field boundary shapefiles that have been collected with a field device are bowties. When a person is driving a field, the GPS receiver is set to collect an anchor point every few seconds. Say the person stops for a moment to take a phone call or get some coffee out of the thermos. If it does not pause the GPS device or have the device set to stop logging when idle, it will keep collecting reference points, and the points tend to skip around a little. The outcome of this can be a bird's nest of bowties. Summit will not allow you to import field boundaries with bowties. Instead of attempting to unknot such messes, select the Split Polygon tool, and starting outside of the boundary, section off the area ending outside of the boundary. Then, using the Select tool, select the problem area and hit Clear Selected Feature. You can now go back and fix this area, adding and adjusting vertices as needed. Another common occurrence you will see is that the field boundary has a single anchor point that is misplaced. These outliers occasionally happen, especially if something obstructs the GPS receiver from the satellite signals. Fixing occasional outliers is easy. Either delete the point or simply move it back in place.